What is up, guys? We're back at the shop. It is Saturday morning, 7:15, 7:30, somewhere in there. And like I was saying, I have a transmission, so I'm gonna get these swapped out quick. As far as I know, they're the exact same. I gotta swap my shifter bracket, but other than that, they're the same. The torque converter's laying over here. I'll put this one in rather than using the one that I got. They're both either a turbo 350 or a turbo 400, so everything should work the same. Both long shafts. So I'm gonna hurry up and stab them in. I did get my new injectors yesterday. I'm not sure if they're the right ones. I'm really hoping that they are. All right, so I got my dipstick mounted. I just put a nut behind it right now. But what I did was I took a riv nut and I riv nutted inside the transmission. So I had to drill it out just a little bit, and then that will land at this hole where a lot of people drill them out and tap them, but there's absolutely no reason for it. There's 5 bolts in it regardless, so that's a cool little way that you can mount your dipstick on a turbo 350 and bolt it up to your LS. All right, so we're back in. I had to take it back out once already because I forgot to get the broken studs out of the head for the manifolds. But as you can see, they're bolted on now, so I am just tightening up this intake. And then I gotta plug in the front and put a vacuum line on right there where I cut that one. From there, we need to decide if we are swapping injectors or if we're gonna try to run it the way it is. But it is back together. This steam port is so temporary, it's not even funny. So yeah, I can save the comments on that one, but we're gonna get it back together. We're gonna get fired up. Our list of parts is getting smaller. I got the rocker bolt put in already. It was this back one. You do it when they're both closed. So when you spin the motor over, if it doesn't, like if the rockers don't move at all, your exhaust and intake one, then go ahead and torque them down. On an LS, it's 22 to 24 foot-pounds. Other than that, I'm just gonna keep plugging away. I gotta get the exhaust on. I'm gonna need help with that, but everything should be good as long as these are in the right spots. They are, and the yellow paint is the front one, so should be good to go. I'm gonna finish tightening this up, and then I'll check back in. Well, guys, it's done. It's back together. It's completed. I have one wire mixed up somewhere, and as soon as I try to charge my battery, the engine turns over. So we are not gonna make it to the burnouts with that today, but hey, we're gonna fire up the old Harley. I'm probably just gonna cruise it down, and I probably won't enter the burnout contest with it, but I'll probably do a couple burnouts here or there. I don't know what the heck is wrong with this car, but we're gonna figure it out. I'm not too worried about it. I got a party next weekend. It's my dad's 55th birthday, so we're doing a surprise party next weekend. So I'm not gonna be working on the car, but throughout the week, if I don't get sent out of town for work, I'll tear the intake and stuff back off of it and make sure all the wiring is right. We think that the starter wire might be in a position to where it's touching the positive battery cable on the starter, but I gotta take the intake and exhaust back off of it to look at it, and I don't have the time to do it today, so that's why we're not gonna make it today, but we're gonna get it going. I haven't given up on it. I need a daily driver, and well, that's gonna be my daily driver, but for now, I gotta get some gas in my pickup and get going home so I can shower, and I will see you guys on the road.
Yeah. So this is your bread and butter.
Oh, I swing a 19 ounce.
So close, man. So close.
I knocked my fucking can
Kayla!
off over here.
Kayla, throw that 16 ounce over here.
Yo, full nose sport, getting her done, boys. That's what mine's gonna do one of these next years. We just talked to this guy. My buddy Fickbaum here knows him. He's gonna do a 4-wheel drive burnout. Let's see if he's got it. Ribbit, ribbit, get it. We got 3 of them going. Yes! He's got 3 spinning, he can't get the 4th, it's too dry. Oh yes. I love America. Monster block. This guy's still going. He's pushing that monster block out of the way. My man right here says he's got just a small motor in there. It's only a 383 stroke. It's that 383, and we got some rust box Silverado with a Vortec, I guess. See how it goes. Hell yeah, dude.
All I got.
Cole, I don't think you're supposed to hit that wall, my man. Oh, she gets down. Oh, she does get down. Got a Torino 351 in it, I believe. Oh, he blew a tire. Now he's just holding her at red line. Woo! Atta boy! Come on. I think he's got blowed up. He's got 1 flat tire. We'll see what happens here. Let's get it. Let's get it. There we go. Oh, hell yeah. Gender reveal. The red line, that's a win in my book. Red line and pink smoke, I love it.
Oh, he's running out of purple.
There goes Cole. Welcome to South Dakota, small town.